Hello guys, before we get started, I did want to say a huge thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people like you and me on topics including parenting, productivity, cooking, video, freelancing, and so much more. I'm actually taking a class right now on Notion called How to Use Notion to Organize Your Life by Anna Lenkovska. Notion is a great app that you can use to manage different aspects of your life, and there is so much you can do with it. So I was so excited when I actually saw that they have all of these different classes in Skillshare. Their classes include a combination of video lessons and a class project and are designed to fit your schedule and skill level. The best thing about Skillshare is that they're always launching new premium classes so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. Most classes are under 60 minutes with short lessons to fit your schedule and skill level. Now, if you're a busy mom like me, then you definitely want to get your learning in, but get it in as quick way as possible. So that's why I really love Skillshare. Skillshare was kind enough to offer the first 1,000 of my subscribers who click the link in the description a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. If you're looking to learn something new or advance your skills in a certain topic, Skillshare is the best place to do it. So click the link down below and start your 1-month free trial today. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Matini. In today's video I am sharing with you a get it all done with me video. I just wanted to share with you how I actually bring the groceries in right now. I need to get one of those wagons, and I saw it on Amazon. When I looked at it last, it was out of stock, so I hope that I'll be able to grab it soon. But I just came back from grocery shopping. It's actually Sunday, so I'm doing my grocery shopping and some cooking today, and then a bit of laundry and self-care. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. But here is the grocery haul. Okay guys, so these are some of the things that I bought. I have some stuff in the stroller that I'm going to show you, but I wanted to start here first. Let me actually adjust this real quickly. It's too bright. That's good. Okay, so from Costco I got this, and ignore that. I got this popcorns. I really love this. I'm actually going to put them in little bags so that the boys can grab them when they want. I got some bananas, got some avocados, some mixed peppers, and then I love their rotisserie chicken. I absolutely love this. It's so good. We're gonna have this for dinner this week, so I wanted to grab it, and it's only $5 guys, so I really like that rotisserie chicken. And then I got some strawberries and eggs. So that's all I got from Costco. And then this is the start of the orders from Walmart. And then I just got a facial mask. I've never tried this one before. I love how the brand looks, so I wanted to grab it, and so I want to try that one. And then I got some essential oils. This one is a peppermint scent. I got some lotions for my car and for my handbag, and same with this one. And then I wanted to try this body wash from Dove. Never really tried this one before, so I wanted to try it and see if it's good. I saw these curtains, and I want to put this in the boys' bedroom. Their little construction design. I think they're gonna like that. So I'm gonna put that one in their bathroom. And then I saw this little egg ring, and I wanted to snatch it. It was only $3, so I got that one. And then, oh gosh, I couldn't let this go. The boys are going to be so obsessed by this. But I saw this little dispenser. It has this, I don't know what it is, but it's cool. It looks cool, okay. And I know they're going to love it. But I grabbed that for their bathroom as well. And then I got some Easy Off because I'm out of that. And some Miss Meyer's. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this away, and then I'm gonna show you the rest of what I got. Okay guys, so this is the rest of the items that I bought from Walmart and from King Soopers. So starting here, I got some chocolate chips for baking. I got the chocolate and the white and the dark. And then I got some Honeycrisp apples, some lemons, this wheat thins, 2 of ground beef because I'm going to be making chili today, and then I'm making something else this week for that. Got some mushrooms, half and half, and coconut water, and then 2 mango chunks for smoothies. Tricolor quinoa. I've never tried this before, so I definitely want to try it and see how it is. I got some macadamia nut, 2 cans of dark kidney beans, and then I got this challah bread for French toast. I've never made French toast before. This is going to be my first time actually making it, and I'm excited about it but nervous. I don't know if this is the right bread. I've seen a few recipes, so hopefully this works. But yeah, that's the one that I got from King Soopers. I got some gelatin, chili pepper and cayenne pepper, English muffins, and tortillas, and then I got some beef broth and mayo. So that's pretty much everything that I got when I went to shop this week for all of my meals. Okay guys, so now I'm actually just gonna get started on dinner for today, and I am making us chili. I love chili, and I haven't actually made it in this apartment, so I had to do a little bit of initiation by making some chili. So I'm gonna be making some ground beef and bean chili. I love this recipe. It always turns out so good. So I'm just starting off by chopping up some white onion, and then I'm going to saute this. So in a pan, I'm just adding some olive oil, and then I'm going to cook the white onion for a few minutes until it kind of browns lightly. And then after it does that, then I'm just going to add some ground beef to it and cook that as well for a few minutes until it turns brown. Once the ground beef is cooked, then I'm just adding all of the different spices. The exact measurements for this will be listed on my blog, and that's going to be linked down below for you if you want to try this recipe out. I actually borrowed it from somebody else, and then I just kind of made it my own. But I really do love this chili recipe. I'm just gonna allow this to simmer for about 30 minutes or so, and while I do that, I'm going to take care of some laundry. I've had a lot of laundry lately that I need to put away, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that up right now. I'm breaking down like the So by this time, my chili was done and I was able to serve that up for dinner today. I really like to do the chili with, what is it called? I always forget this. Frito-Lay original corn chips. I love those with chili and just a little bit of cheese with that as well. I haven't tried avocado or sour cream, but I really do. My best combination is Frito-Lay, cheese, and that's it. Keep it simple. That's how I like it. Let me know how you like your chili down below.
I'm swimming down the deep like a mermaid, and she needs no air to breathe. My escapes are all the same. Can you help me? Can you help me feel okay? Take me under your golden wings. I need you, I need you, I need to. Kiss me gently on my forehead. I need you, I need you, I need to. Take me under your golden wings. I need you, I need you, I need to. Kiss me gently on my forehead. I need you, I need you, I need to.
And then the last thing that I needed to do today was self-care. Guys, I haven't really been doing much in terms of self-care. As you can tell by the looks of my hair, I have had this hair since April. I've had this hair since April, and it's been a bit of a challenge to find time to honestly take it off and to take care of myself. It's been a stressful few months here, so I was just been barely surviving at this point. So today I decided to do something, and so I'm shaving my face. I do like shaving my face because it does leave it feeling really smooth, and I find that it's better than going to get it well, it's not better, it's much more cost effective, I suppose, than going and getting it waxed or getting lasered. Let me know in the comments if you shave your face or if you get lasered. I used to use Meyer, but I have since stopped using that one, so I just shave it myself. But once I finish saving it, then I'll just apply a toner to kind of clean it up a little bit more, and then after I apply the toner, I'll do my mask for the day. But yeah, as I mentioned before, I haven't been doing much in terms of self-care lately. Guys, it's so hard sometimes. Like, I know when you like watch people on YouTube, it's easy to think that, you know, their life is perfect and whatnot, but honestly, we're all going through the struggles. But yeah, this is my reminder to you, if you haven't done anything for yourself lately, to just take a moment and just do something, whether it's a little bit of a facial, or getting your hair done or your nails done. I definitely need to go and get my nails done for sure, because those are atrocious at this point. But yeah, we still gotta take care of ourselves too. So after 10 minutes, I took the mask off, and then I wanted to kind of set it in a little bit more. So I'm using my roller to do that, and I'm just going to roll all over my face with this, just to kind of set the serum, I guess, into my skin. I really like this roller because it does help with blood flow around the face. And then I forget the name for this one, but I also use that as well, and it does a really good job of directing blood flow and helping with your blood vessels in your face and all that good stuff that you want. So I just do that all over the face. Once that's done, then I apply hyaluronic facial serum to my face. And once I put that on, then I also apply my face moisturizer as well. And then after that, I just add Vaseline and I'm all set. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave me a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.